production with minimum defectives or waste, with less labor, with less unit cost. There is a productivity. Now you understand what is productivity? Maximize the production with the minimum defective, with less labor, with less unit cost. That is the productivity. Correct? For that, two factors. One is the maximize the production. Another one is minimize defective or waste. But I am coming to this one. How to maximize the production? You tell me. One by one. Anybody is having answer? How to maximize the production? What are all the factors to maximize the production? How to maximize the production?
तो
Avoid
this sounds
breakdown. Correct? Avoid breakdown, correct? Number two, anybody knows?
Machine efficiency.
Huh?
Machine efficiency.
Machine efficiency. Machine efficiency, I can say utilization of machine. Utilization of machine or machine is correct, no? Huh? Utilization of machine. Madam, sir. Utilization of machine or machine efficiency, correct? Next.
Utilization of skilled manpower.
Huh?
Skilled manpower. Utilization of skilled manpower.
Utilization of skilled manpower.
Skilled labor.
Skilled manpower, correct, no? Then next.
Time delay.
Hmm?
Time.
Employee welfare. Very, very important.
Hmm?
Employee welfare.
Employee welfare.
Very important.
Salary. That's motivation.
Employee welfare or motivation, correct? Welfare or motivation. Next.
Conducive environment.
Eh?
Conducive environment. Work environment.
That is okay. The welfare is employee welfare motivation is all under.
Workers' dedication. Dedication or commitment.
Eh?
Dedication through commitment. of
Dedication
workers.
involvement. Dedication involvement, correct? Dedication or
Commitment.
involvement. Done.
Quality raw material.
What about anything? Process control. Process control. Process control.
Yes.
Process control. You come in there, no?
Yes.
Process control. huh?
Yes.
Process control. But in free open platform, anybody can discuss. Process control. Then,
So, regular quality checkup.
eh?
Proper regular quality checkup.
Online quality checkup. Online quality checkup. Online quality checkup. Then again, Anything left out?
Standard operation
Huh?
procedure.
Hmm?
Standard operational procedure.
Follow standard operation procedure. Correct, no? That is the process control, no? Process control is comes under, no? Process control comes under all. Correct, no? Anything?
Quality raw material.
Huh?
Quality raw material.
Oh, very good. Sourcing of
Sorry.
sourcing of right raw material. Correct? Sourcing of right raw material. Correct? Raw material and packing material. Correct? Sourcing of right raw material, packing material. Oh God. Thank you. Understand, no? Please, you also help me.
Yes, I will. Just
See,
continue,
okay?
sir.
So now, this is the productivity we are defining. Productivity is to maximize the production with the minimum defectives or waste with less labor, with less unit cost. In that, we are coming into the maximum production. To increase maximum production, what are all the reasons? How to improve the maximum production? Now coming to this, next I will come later. This is usually avoid breakdown. People are telling, I am asking from
Okay, they are saying it themselves.
avoid breakdown. Number one, utilization of machine or machine efficiency. Number three, utilization of skilled manpower. Correct? Number four, employee welfare or motivation. Okay? Number five, dedication or involvement. Number six, process control. Process control monitored properly. Number seven, online quality checkup. Number eight, sourcing of right raw material and the Dixie told. Sourcing of right material, raw material and pack material. Anything?
I think these are the major ones.
Anything left out?
Teamwork.
Hmm?
Teamwork.
Coming to dedication and involvement.
Dedication and involvement.
Dedication involvement. As you said, teamwork, correct. Teamwork also come under this, correct? Teamwork. Dedication, involvement, teamwork. Anything?
Time management.
Hmm?
Time management.
Time management.
Effective time management.
So avoid breakdown. I can put it there. Here,
Yes,
time management.
true. Time
Avoid
management.
time management. Correct? Time management. Correct, huh? Avoid breakdown. Time management. Anything?
Another one.
Any other one?
Job discipline.
Eh?
Job discipline.
Job?
Discipline.
That is dedication
There,
and
no.
Dedication.
Involvement.
dedication, time work, teamwork.
There is proper planning and decision making.
Hmm?
Proper planning and decision
Production
making.
planning.
Proper planning.
Proper planning
and
and
decision making.
Okay? Production planning. Correct?
Proper planning, not production.
Proper production planning.
and
Decision making.
Proper production planning and decision making. Correct? Proper production planning and decision making. Anything? Anything? Huh?
so we have to pick one by one.
Okay, now, I am coming to first point. Avoid breakdown. What? Avoid breakdown. How to avoid breakdown? What is the precaution measure we have to take? Avoid breakdown. What is the precaution measure we have to take? Correct, no? So I can
Kind of office. Safety.
I can take it. No,
We
the
can-
point I need, no.
We'll,
This point. Here you can put it.
let's now
I can put it here. Put avoid
now
that.
put what are the measures?
What is the precaution measures?
Precaution measures.
What is the precaution measures we have to
To avoid-
take down to avoid breakdown?
Or minimize breakdown.
Minimize breakdown.
Let's say minimize, because there's no way you don't have breakdown. You agree with me?
Yes.
How do we minimize breakdown?
Minimize breakdown. Sit down, sit down, sit down. You should come. How to, tell me.
Proper maintenance from time to time.
That is called the technical term. What is it?
Routine maintenance.
Preventive
Preventive
maintenance.
maintenance.
It is called preventive maintenance. Correct? So what preventive maintenance? Correct? Preventive maintenance. It is called emergency control. Preventive maintenance to avoid breakdown. What else again? Now proper planning all comes in preventive maintenance. For avoid breakdown, anything is there?
Adoption of up-to-date technology, up-to-date machinery, new machineries.
If you have preventive maintenance,
Preventive maintenance all comes under
even if you have up to date, you don't prevent the maintenance.
preventive. What is mean by preventive maintenance? Preventive maintenance is the forecast of
Yes.
forecast for further continued production. Correct? No, should not happen any.
Yes.
This thing.
To ensure that doesn't happen.
To ensure that is a preventive
Yes.
Training now. Training.
Eh?
Training.
Training, proper training.
Yes.
For maintenance plan. Proper training. Correct? No. Proper training. Correct?
Employee commitment. When the workforce is committed to their work.
No, that is what proper training is comes under all. Proper training comes under preventive maintenance. Okay, these are the 2 points in scope. There is a avoid breakdown. Correct? Preventive maintenance is very, very important. Correct? Number 2, number 3. Now, time management. Time management. Tell me time management. I am coming under time management. Time management. Time management means
Or your names are here. Do you have anybody that you know? I've not written his name. So we are 21 here.
21 now.
The number is not
Madam, wait, hold on.
The name you don't have it. The name you don't have the year is 21, the year is showing 22.
That's what I'm asking, whether there's anybody that's not.
Yes, someone this is 22.
Don't worry. 21, 22, don't worry.
Okay, sit down.
Don't worry.
Sit down, sit
Don't
down.
worry, don't worry, don't worry.
Don't worry. Emos is there, Emos. The time management. Time management is important key role to maximize the production. Time management is comes under all utilization of, correct no? Utilization of manpower, correct no? Utilization of manpower properly. Utilization of manpower, correct no? Properly. Correct no?
Yes.
Number 2, utilization of machines. Correct? Utilization of machine. All including oven, all grammar. Utilization of machine. Then again, what? Utilization of energy. Utilization of energy. Fuel control. Correct? No? Utilization of energy. Yes. Correct? Huh? Utilization of energy properly controlled. Then again, utilization of manpower properly, utilization of what is this? Machines, utilization of energy. Anything? Energy means fuel, electricity, everything.
What other things? That's I still want somebody to mention you have not mentioned.
Time management.
In time management, there's a key thing that you need to mention you have not mentioned.
Proper communication.
No. No.
Tell me, what is it? Very important.
Very important.
The process flow.
Eh?
Process flow.
No.
Punctuality.
Production planning.
Proper production planning is
Punctuality. When you are starting up on Monday.
discipline. You can put discipline.
Discipline. Instead of starting by 7 a.m., you start by 8
That discipline.
Start up time.
That is a discipline, no? You can put discipline.
Discipline.
Discipline. Then again, production planning also time management. Correct? No?
Yes.
Proper production planning. You are
When
not
you
properly
report
planning.
on time.
No. Production planning. Correct? Production planning. Anything left over? Oga? Anything left over? See, preventive maintenance, time management, utilization of manpower properly, utilization of machinery, utilization of energy properly, discipline, production planning. Discipline in the sense punctuality, correct no? Punctuality. Punctuality. Done?
Sir, proper team communication.
Yeah?
Proper team communication.
That is not proper. Effective communication. Communication is true communication. Effective communication, normal communication. This is effective communication. Correct no? Effective communication. See, somebody is, the machine breakdown. One shift machine breakdown 50 lakh. That is not effective communication. What is the precaution step we take? Inform the concerned call maintenance person. Baba, this machine is breakdown. This machine going to start another 1 hour. Like that we give the organization. That is called effective communication. Communication is anything. Machine breakdown. That is called communication. But effective communication means once the machine breakdown, you call the people to rectify the things. For that, what type of the arrangement you are being made. That is called effective communication. Correct no? Effective communication is very, very important. That is what is effective communication. Right, Yoga? Effective communication. Anything? Anything, Yoga? Tell me, Yoga. It's an open platform. We are very comfortable. Nothing. Everybody is same. This is a very open platform. We are discussing each other. Not no thing that I know everything. You know. No. Everybody knows. Correct, no? This is an open platform. We are sharing each other. So he is telling, I am developer. He told something. I tell you effective communication. So like that, it's a brainstorm. Correct, no? Brainstorm session. So we are discussing like that. Very casual way. We are not like that. Simply you are sitting and I only planned it. People are coming and instead of that, if you are discussing, it is very useful now for everybody. Brainstorming this session. Okay? You okay? This is time management, all coming this way. Utilization of machine, done. Okay. One by this one. Second one is utilization of manpower. That we can come to the same thing. Okay, utilization of manpower. Utilization of manpower. Tell me, Yoga. Utilization of manpower, how? What is that? Utilization of manpower.
Proper allocation.
Proper allocation. Correct, no? Proper allocation. Proper allocation means what? Proper allocation means what?
Allocating who to man the
Right person.
Assign
Right person to right place.
Yes.
Right person to right place. That is a proper allocation. Number two.
Simply measure. So,
effective coordination. Effective coordination.
Proper control. Proper control.
Proper control में है.
On the manpower. Proper control of the manpower. Proper control of manpower.
The monitoring of manpower closely.
Yes.
Close monitoring.
Yeah,
Correct, no?
hard to pay permanent.
Correct. Close monitoring of manpower. Correct, no?
Yeah.
Correct. Monitoring manpower closely.
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
Correct. This is correct.
Effective supervision.
Proper monitoring.
After
Already told the
after the allocation,
right person to
there
right
must be
person.
proper control, proper monitoring. After allocation, there must be proper
Proper follow. Proper follow.
Effective supervision.
effective proper
Line management.
Line management.
Line management. Line management means proper follow. Correct, no? Proper follow. Line management. Line management, proper follow. Next. Next. This is number proper allocation. Line management, proper follow. Next. Is anything there?
This proper application.
No, proper allocation. No.
Can you know it's very good. Can you explain to me when you are saying proper application?
When you get the one person to any other place, you'll be there for the whole year. You will achieve nothing.
The right person to right place.
Yes, that's what I want to say.
Right person to right place. That is a proper
That
allocation.
beg in a round hole.
Right person to right place. Correct? No? That is a proper allegation. The meaning of allegation is a right person to right place. Am I correct? Then line management proper. Okay. Next we can skip up now. Right. This is not manpower. Okay. Then employee welfare and motivation. Correct?
Employee welfare and motivation. Salary is not the only motivation.
Who's not said anything?
Somebody said salary. Somebody mentioned salary. I agree with the person. The salary is not the only motivation.
Salary is not in the platform.
No.
Then that is you are diverting this. Again, company point. I cannot come in. Motivation in the sense that is different scenario. Okay, salary okay. Salary is general. For me, give more salary, I am also getting motivated. Everybody, salary is a known fact. But apart from this, assume that employee, apart from this, employee motivation. What?
Incentives.
Huh?
Incentives.
What?
You get salary for
Incentives.
Also no finance.
salary.
Please tell me.
They don't pay you salary, they pay you incentive.
All about staffing.
Huh?
Staffing.
Staffing.
Yes.
Yeah, motivation in the sense proper, staffing means proper result, no? Staffing means proper recognition. Correct, no?
promotion.
To motivate an employee. There should be room for staffing. You want to motivate
It's a proper recognition. Correct, no? Proper recognition. Proper recognition. Correct? Recognition. Proper recognition. That is important. Correct? That is, I can say like this. Proper recognition. Correct? Proper recognition. Number 3, number 5. Working area. To be more comfortable, no? Working area.
Conducive work environment.
Condition work environment.
Yes.
Both in Ghana and West
And this is what about recognition.
Condition.
Yeah, they definitely pay the salary. If you don't want that,
You are in the narrative sense. Talk louder.
the problem about salary first, yeah.
Salary okay, salary you can, salary if they give 100 millions you are happy. Money is different. Money is different platform. Money is different platform.
Baba, you want it one.
Existing infrastructure. Again. Education, environment, teamwork. Okay, okay. Proper organization, condition, work environment. Correct, na? Okay. Huh?
Any other one?
Any other thing? No, I come to that here. Salary.
See, salary will come to it.
The salary, please. I'm
Are you giving us your
platform
word?
for all.
Are you giving us your word?
Of course.
I am doing that platform only. See, I am doing that way. I am indirectly working on it.
Today?
Before uncle.
Salary also.
That's something to be today. Education and government.
Dedication, environment, teamwork. That is same command, no? Dedication, environment. Dedication, environment and teamwork.
These are same,
Same.
Yes.
Same already discussed. Correct, no?
Teamwork. How can we improve our teamwork?
Teamwork and all. I already same. Teamwork is already I discussed. Next coming to process control.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have something to say
Process control.
concerning that teamwork.
Yeah.
Based on what I encounter in my disciplination area of work, to see. I have experience of people that we have, we are working together. Their work are very related. But when it comes to listening to the procedure, they feel too big to listen to procedures. And at the same time, they create fears into people so that they will not even bring complaint to them. And in the production, we are having challenges, and the solution to that challenges lies on them listening to that instruction. So in this kind of situations, what do we do?
See, the people are complaining to fear. Complaining to fear. Correct, no? Fearing. Or complaining to somebody.
No, it's fair to
So
complain.
if,
Fear to complain.
because I know that if I should come to you, is something good may not come out from it. You shout, or you may resort to quarrel.
But firstly, you must know what is your responsibility. It's a transfer. What is your responsibility? What is your work? You should not cross your limit. Am I correct? No. You are a quality control. Correct? No. You are a quality control person. Am I correct?
Yes.
Quality control person. What is your job? Within the standard, you have to pass it. It's easy. Beyond the limit, you have to reject it. Correct? No. If anything is there, you have, suppose beyond your control, you are unable to control. So you have to inform your immediate boss. Correct? No. You should not take your this. Anybody is not listening. Suppose production people not listening. Please inform to your immediate boss. Correct? No. That is the only solution.
For
You
example,
even-
sir.
Tell me.
For example, sir. Let's use molding section as a case study. And we are talking about productivity means that maximizing production and minimizing defections or waste. And this has been happening over and over. Whenever there is scraps, detect scraps from the molder, it is the duty of the operator, people that are there, to stop the line. It can still be converted and still used for another mixing, but they will allow it to pass from the molding section to reach the oven end. The oven operator will complain that he cannot be packing.
No. Now what I understand your people are having, they don't have the concept. They are unable to identify what is the real problem. That's why one by one, they are criticizing somebody. They are pushing the problem to other. That fellow is pushing the problem other. For that, no, we need one strong leader. That fellow is identifying the problem which one is. Instead of that, what happened? This floor confusion is takes place. I am correct, Emoshi. Emoshi is the team leader. You have to identify the problem, whether it is a mechanical problem or mixing problem or something. But now we are unable to identify. People are getting panic, confused. Which problem? Because they don't have the proper concept. Once you know the knowledge very strongly, you can. Am I correct or not? This problem is mixing part. Sorry, this is a mixing problem. The problem mechanics is a knife problem. Sorry, knife problem. Like that type of dictatorship, nobody's having guts. Am I correct or not? Why means their lack of. I'm not telling lack of knowledge or something like that. You are not properly identify the problem. Correct now?
I just want to add something.
Okay.
As a policy control, you don't see yourself as the boss of the whole thing. That whatever I say, they must listen. You are there to give them the advice. If you tell them this thing is not okay, number one, you should tell them why it's not okay and what they are going to do to make it okay. You don't just go there and say, stop, carry it. You need to give your own as a quality assurance person is to identify why it's like that.
Okay, one more thing.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
What he's saying is correct, but one more thing, should not be restrict yourself.
Yes.
You are a quality person. Quality person also, you have to support the production team also.
Yes.
See, anything, my problem, the cricket is not coming.
Yes, I just.
Not like that.
Your own.
You have to help them. Okay, like this.
Yes.
Instead of that, no, reject it, my job is over. That proper interaction is very important. Then and there you have to tell, then only the production people will know. Correct now what is happening. Instead of that, without informing, how they know? You are simply rejecting me. Correct now? That also interaction is very, very important. Interaction between production people, quality people, I am a correct Emos. Interaction is very, very important. Proper understanding. By same time, should not have any ego. People are having, I understood so many people are having ego. Ego is a main disease for human being, I am telling you now. Once you are having ego, I am very sorry to say, I am a correct answer. That ego is that only is spoiling your image and deterioration your quality. Am I correct English or I don't know? Correct no? See, by human being, what is the life here? Tomorrow who is there, who is not there, nobody knows. See, I am the developer of all the products, should not be like this. All credit goes to God only, not you, not me. Whatever I am reading, whatever I did here, that is not by me, God only. Correct no? That type of this who is having, definitely you can come up in your life. Please, why I am gathering all the people? I only told, see, all people are going here and there. This is a brainstorm meeting. See, by birth, I don't know anything. I may be expert in biscuit. I don't know other side. So, he knows something, he knows something, he knows something. Everybody knows something. God given a beautiful brain. God given a beautiful brain. You have to act accordingly. Everybody is having their own brain, their own knowledge, their own intelligence. Definitely you can come out. So that's why I'm telling people first you must eliminate all ego. Quality wise, no, attitude, proper attitude, proper approach, good quality, good behavior is there. Definitely you can come up in your life. Money comes, money goes. That is not decided by yourself. God has to decide. Today if you want 10,000 naira to his pocket, no, God has to decide, not you. Money will not come just like that, I am telling you. God has to decide. That's why I'm telling quality. I'm proper. I'm totally. I'm request everybody. The quality of attitude. You have to. Everybody should have a good manner. Quality is attitude is very, very important. Number two, ego. You have to eliminate properly. Ego is a main culprit, main disease for deterioration of the human being quality. Am I correct or not? I don't know. That you have to remove from your mindset. Once you are all working together, your own Nigeria, you are working together, your own country, you are all temporary, you are not permanent. Anytime I am going back to India. So you people are here, you have to, your own factory, Sona Agro. After 2 years, 3 years, I may be here, I may not be here. You people are going to be here for a long time. Correct, no? That's why I am telling. Right, okay? Now, now your problem solved?
Yes, sir.
Solomon, your problem solved. But first you properly identify the problem. You are able to identify the problem, then you can survive, you can talk whatever you want. Instead of that, you are wrong identification, nobody will pass it. Correct? No? Am I correct? Then, I don't. The process control. Process control. The process control, no, two things are there. What is one is
Dimensions.
the process control, no, two things are there. Process control, no. The manufacturing part, the mechanical part. It will affect the process, no.
Process control.
Process control. No. Process control, manufacturing part, mechanical part. No, mechanical part. Manufacturing fault means what are the items? Maybe faulty mixing. Correct, no? Faulty mixing is a manufacturing fault. What else again? Suppose you are not adding properly input variants.
The recipe is not
The
respected.
recipe is not properly input variants.
Yes.
If you are not properly following recipe. Correct, no?
SOP.
That is come,
SOP.
SOP of CD, then sequence of addition. So there is a faulty mixing. I may say faulty mixing. To avoid faulty mixing, mechanical breakdown. Mechanical breakdown is also one of the reason for to affect the process control. Am I correct? Mechanical breakdown also to affect the process control.
Yes.
So how to avoid mechanical breakdown? For that you go again. I am telling preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance is very, very important for to avoid mechanical breakdown. Correct, no? That is two things. Only the manufacturing part, mechanical part. Anything over process control. Process control, online quality checking. Process control, another factor, online quality checking. That is very, very important. It is whether it's in the standard or then and there you have to monitor. All process control closely monitored by quality department. Correct? That is very, very important. Apart from this part, this is operational problem. Correct? No? Operational problem means manufacturing part is operational problem, mechanical also operational problem. Apart from operational problem, the quality people, they have to check online checking closely. Correct? Correct, okay? Process control over now. Then online quality checkup, that also I already covered now. Online quality checkup. Then sourcing of right raw material and packing material. Correct? Dixie, sourcing of right raw material and right packing material. You tell me quality. Solomon. Sourcing of right raw material. How to source the right raw material? Tell me.
As the raw materials is coming in, they need to check the sample. You know, if the sample is, what we specify, what we require for, we take it. If it's substandard, we reject it outright.
Yes.
There's no point taking it.
Yeah, yes.
By that, we have sourced for a quality raw material.
Okay. That is, see, sourcing of right raw material is within the standard. Within the standard is there, we are receiving. Without standard, we are not receiving. We are rejecting. Correct? No. That is a common factor. Apart from this, anything is there. Right raw material. Sourcing of right raw material. So that is inner process. We are doing. We are having certain parameter. This is the parameter within the standard. We are taking. Without standard, we are taking. Apart from this, how to source a right raw material? Apart from this, anything. Correct? No? So now our Nigeria government also encouraging local raw material. They are arranging local raw material only. Correct? So right raw material choosing is very, very important. Right raw material. Correct? No? Right raw material, you know very well. Flour is not there. What is the thing? Flour is the main hero. We are 70% we are using flour. So flour is not okay. We are unable to make this one. One more thing, So how to identify? Apart from the parameter, how to identify? Sometime we are getting fresh milling. You know fresh milling? Flour is freshly prepared. That flour is coming. It will not work out. Why means it's a biological reaction. It's a minimum 2 to 3 days we need. Then only the biological reaction will take place. After that, if you use that flour, the flour is very good for production. If it is fresh milling flour, before that what happened, I'm telling, government banned it. You know potassium bromide.
Yes.
Potassium bromide is a aging agent. That aging agent they are adding before that. But now the potassium bromide banned by all over world.
Yes.
Because
it's
potassium
cancerous.
bromide is a aging agent, leads to cancer, something like that, find out. So potassium bromide is totally banned now. So even though if you once you are adding potassium bromide, even though fresh milling, it will no problem. But now they are not adding potassium bromide. That is a problem now. Any fresh milling flour is not possible to. And what happened to fresh milling flour? You say gauge order sticking, biscuit lifting is not proper. So many things happening. So that and all, you floor people only have to understand. Apart they don't know, because these people are having all kinds of inner parameters. Apart from this, the moment you see the flavor, if it is not there, you have to complain to production people. So you have to monitor. That type of things are also very important. This is all practical experience. Practical experience. By seeing itself, okay, this is a fresh milling. Understand? That type of things you have to listen. That is a raw material. As per packing material concern, you tell me, Solomon, packing material concern is very, very important. What type of material we are using? You know that anybody knows?
Yes, sir.
Packing material,
Yes.
we are using 3 types of packing material. Anybody knows what type of material? Potential people also should know.
Yes,
You
sir.
must aware.
Cartons,
No, only I am talking about the wrappers only, wrapper.
wrappers. Okay.
Forget about the cottons and all, production to know. Wrapper only, wrapper concern.
Laminates.
One is surface printer mono layer, one is single layer. Another one is laminated, double layer. Another one is metallized laminated. Correct? No? So three items we are using. Correct? In that, see the proper, suppose production supervisor, who is production supervisor, how to identify the quality of the apart from quality I'm asking you. Can you find out is a good quality, how you are determine whether it's a good quality of the wrapper or not?
That's job.
I think the texture.
How do you find out texture?
You feel it. You feel it. When you hold it, you feel it.
Sir, what's up the artwork? What about the artwork?
Huh?
The artwork on the wrapper.
Huh?
See, there are some, wrapper that will come. Here looking at the artwork is fading. It's not a good wrapper. No.
See, 2 things are there. Artwork is getting fed, surface printed. Surface printed is a direct printing. It will get fed. If you want, I will show it. You know that your ink eraser is there, eraser? You put the eraser, all print will go. That is surface printed. The double layer, that is reverse printing. It will not go. Reverse printing, double layer. It will not go because that surface printed, on the surface printing is there. If you oil seal it will go. Air content will go. But mono double layer, no, it will not go because reverse printing. Inside, but top only plain.
Okay.
Plain top, printed one bottom. That is called a reverse printing. So it will not get fat. That is a property of the film. Property of the film is a double layer laminated one. It will not get fat. Surface printed, because of the outside printing, it will get fat. Understand? If you want, I will show it. Now, the eraser is there. I will show it. Please, I show to the people. Bring that laminated one and this one eraser. I will show it. How to identify the surface printing very easy. I will show it. How to find it. See, you cannot print by this thing. Surface printed may be thinner. Surface printed double layer more or less same. But how to identify? You put that chemical, it will go. That is surface printed. Double layer, it will not go. I will show it. Bring him. So, packing material also, production people also, apart from quality people, practically you must know what is quality of, correct no?
Yes.
What is the quality of the wrapper. Apart from this, you are doing leaking test and all. The leaking, moisture, one thing I am telling. Now, again the atmosphere is very, very important. Humidity. Anybody knows humidity? What is humidity? Humidity. Air moisture percent in the
Yeah.
Okay? But nowadays, no, humidity is more than 70, 80 degrees. I saw now 76% air moisture. Air moisture is there, that, you know, biscuit tends to absorb moisture very easily. Correct, no? For that only, you have to try to, humidity is more, it will absorb moisture. So, try to protect air content. A lot of time I am seeing the floor, lot of biscuits are getting exposure, not covered properly. Once if are not covered, it tends to absorb moisture. It will become soft. Biscuit will become soggy. Am I correct? So, for that is a very perishable, kind of perishable item. I am not telling it's perishable item, it's kind of perishable item. It tends to, you know, I am telling very frank, maximum 3 months only biscuits. After 3 months, definitely the quality to deteriorate. I'm correct or not? Even though you are providing shelf life 1 year, after 3rd month you can take the deterioration will start. Quality will not get as like fresh. Maximum 3 months. After 3 months, nowadays the quality of fat everything, you won't get a problem. So that's why apart from the yolk, air intact. Even if you are not giving air intact, air leaking there, definitely air enter inside, the biscuit will become soft. So for that only air leaking test is very, very important. Correct, no? Should not be getting air, puncture, all like that. Correct, Solomon? Your country, that being the quality, air leaking is very, very important. You should be, you want to avoid air leaking. Air leaking should not be. Even small pinhole, no? Definitely enter moisture. Correct, no? Very small pinhole is enough. You can't make out. Small pinhole. That's why now I'm telling surface printer is 30 micron. The micro is little bit. Even small, no, it will easily get moisture. But double layer, you will not get moisture because of the lamination. Even metallized bulb, totally will not get shock because of the metal bulb. The intact moisture barrier is very good in metallized bulb and laminator when compared to mono die surface printer. Am I correct? Moisture barrier is very, very good in double layer and metallized bulb. Correct now, okay? So here. Then
Proper
production planning.
This one.
Assistant head. Production planning. That is very, very important key role. Correct, no? First, you must understand the production manager. Understand. See, what is the production plan? Who is that? How to arrange the production plan? Production plan means what? What basis you are planning production? Tell me. Who is anybody production manager?
Having that phone now. Put your phone on silent.
Production planning. Okay, please listen. I get feeling bored. Sorry. Tell that. Production planning. Correct now? Production planning. Production planning. What basis you are arranging production planning? I'm asking. Production planning means what? How to arrange the production planning? What basis?
That's the plan based on demand. Based on demand.
Based on the market demand. Sales projection. Based on the sales projection, they are planning the material. Correct now? They are giving monthly production. Then based on the monthly production, you have to arrange weekly plan.
I didn't see any surface printed wrapper. Only metallized. You see any
All these are metallized.
metallized and laminates. These are now.
This is I tell you all the
See that here.
No, I tell you, leave it. Production is our proposal. I want to surface printer. No chemical.
We have active. Active. We don't need active wrapper.
Surface, no surface.
Anymore. It's only active wrapper now that we have a surface printer.
Just bring it now, just to our namesake, madam.
If you have it.
Surface
I
printer,
have
I
to
want.
go to that place.
No, chemical.
You have it.
I can't.
In the lab.
Chemical is there? The sensor, eraser.
And then we see some.
No chemical, huh?
There is.
Huh?
But there is no surface printed wrapper.
Anything. I want any wrapper. Bring chemical. I want it. See, you are a production manager, no? You are a production manager. See, first you are seeing the production planning, dispatch planning. Based on that, suppose Marty they are giving 100,000. Marty they are giving 100,000 cotton. Am I correct? 100,000 cotton they are giving. But you have to check out the opening stock. Suppose 100,000 they are planning by this month. Your opening stock is multi 30,000. Your opening stock is 30,000, but the sales projection is 100,000. What to do? You have to remove, correct? No, 30,000. Only your production planning is 70,000 only. Correct? That way you have to plan. What is your plan? After that, after planning everything, you have to hand over to purchase department. Purchase department, they have to plan accordingly. Material. This is a proper production planning. Am I correct? There is a proper production planning. Production planning based on the sales projection. Apart from sales projection, this way. Apart from sales projection, you have to see the opening stock of this month. After opening stock removing, you have to plan. Now you tell me.
Like in the case of this proper production planning, there are some cases where changes occurs on the line 2-3 times. Those particular process will affect productivity.
Yes.
So what they need to do in proper production planning, they can draw a plan. When you have your plan, you can say, okay, finish this today, tomorrow we change. But changing in between will affect time, will affect machine,
I come to the
and will lead to a lot of waste.
I come to that point.
So
I come to that point. See, changing of often changing over. So your production efficiency going down. That I come to. I have discussed. Because now what happened now based on the sales. Do you know that what happened now? Do you know that what is the sales requirement? Now the sales requirement is more in vapor side. Am I correct?
Yes.
They are asking vapor. You know vapor is zero stop.
Yes.
See, without vapor, they are unable to push our biscuits.
Yes.
They are asking without vapor, I won't take any shot. They are telling it. What to do now? So here also, country also uncertainty. One time they are telling, if you know that in the biscuit, you know, the round biscuit, good day biscuit. Nobody is willing to buy. After that, suddenly they are telling they want. Like that, you know the Sona Beds mass market.
Yes.
Before that, no, nobody said. Now mass market, no Sona Beds also they are liking. So people have the awareness. People have to use it and see the product. Then only it goes into it. Be uncertainty. See, what happened? Last month they are asking, I want more this one. This month they are asking, this one is more. Uncertainty, how to plan. In India also, no, they are not bothering about market demand. Take out the sales projection based on that 1 month planning. That's all. Whatever you are planning based on no market demand, nothing. Based on that production planning, you have to produce and send it to different depot. But here, not possible. As you said, no. But production efficiency, why is production efficiency going down? So many changeover. Changeover, how many hours it will take? In India, okay, whether believe it or not, okay, in India, see, okay, Good Day Biscuit, exclusively one plant. One plant exclusively for one product. Mr. Imos,
Sir.
One plant exclusively for one plant, Good Day. Thins Cracker exclusively for one plant. They don't know to change.
No change.
So now what I understand here, today you are Good Day. After third day you are changed over to Sona Bike. By the time no, the people supervisor all accustomed is about to learn. 3 days they are about to stabilize. By the time you can change over to another product. The efficiency going down. They are not existing people. They are not properly learning. See, learning means Good Day only. You are continuously running. You can understand the process. Including missing, I am telling. Instead of see every week you are doing Good Day, after that things right. Instead of that whole month you run your Good Day. You are master in that. You know what is happening inside.
Very high.
You understand? No, whole month you run only Good Day. Number of mixing. But you understand what is happening. After that you are master. Instead of that 3 days Good Day. After that you are getting confused. Not only mixing side. You come to the floor side, supervisor. Supervisor is running over there. After Good Day, no. Change it, that things rather. He is getting confused. This person what happened? I am telling open. See, existing infrastructure, you have to manage. I know what is happening. You master, I am telling you, no. Good Day. That is not possible. One plant is not. Exclusively one plant, production efficiency are going down, going up. No changeover, correct now? Only one plant means continuously running. People understand the process very well. Correct now? go one operator, understand the process very well. But now changing. That's why that is not possible here. Because how many items are manufacturing? How many SKUs? Am I correct? What I'm telling is correct or not? So we know the fact. We know the what is. Unknowingly we are existing. We have to adjust. Correct now, okay? Next one. Proper plan is also over.
Submitting. I think you have covered
Cover maximum production. That's over now. But now minimize the defectives. That is a chapter, correct? Minimize the defectives. How to minimize the defectives. Minimize defectives. How about that? Tell me. This is in your hand only. Minimize defectives. Minimize defectives. Minimize defectives. Controlling defectives.
Like this minimizing defective, it will come from section wise. Because from mixing, you have to minimize.
Yes.
From the molding, they will minimize. From the oven end, you will work on it.
Okay. For the next week like this, can we first of all identify where we are having?
Can I say proper process control?
The root cause. Yes, let's first of all identify where we're having the wastage. Points where we're having the wastage.
See, minimize the defectives. What is the first one by one, point one by one?
Machine inefficiency.
Production side. Process.
Let's start from mixing. Mixing. Tell us. We are
mixing.
Where we are having the wastage and what is causing this. Paul. Is Paul around here?
Paul is there?
Yes, sir.
Paul, you.
Please stand up and talk.
Call from a mixing. Tell me the mixing.
Come. Or you come and even write it. I want you to involve.
At times, what causes all those things is maybe this. At times, what causes is the when the mixing is not okay. That is number one. The mixing is not okay. Then number two, if we are having problem on the mixers, maybe at times we are having problem on the sugar silo or any of the silo. Then when we want to discharge, at times that silo, when we go for sugar, if you don't look well, that sugar may not come. Then, and you will not know that there is no sugar in that particular mixing. Then they supply. And when they supply, the thing will come out for oven end. That is when you get to know. Maybe the QC will not find out that there is no sugar here, or there is no maybe fat or whatever. Then they have to drop the dough or the biscuit there at the oven end. And dropping it there means that 250 kg of flour has been wasted, though it can still be used again. You understand? It can still be used again to mix. So that is where we are having wastages, not on the chemical, or at times maybe mistakenly, as we are having some new workers that are not being trained very well. Then, if you don't monitor them very well, they may put any of the dissing without chemical.
Okay, you mean to say lack of skilled people, correct?
Yeah.
Lack of skilled people, correct? No? Lack of skilled people. Lack of, correct? No? Mr. Darun, lack of skilled people.
Lack of skill.
Lack of skills.
Is that right?
Lack of skills, correct? So you mean to say silo system, silo problem? Silo.
Yes.
Silo problem.
Everybody has questions. Who?
Silo problem.
You don't have. Who's not
Number
having?
three.
And lack of follow-up. That is, if you don't follow up the workers, then the mistake will come and the need will be wasted. If you don't follow them up, that is the new paper that was given.
That's why I already told you, no.
Okay,
There is a lack of skilled people. So you need to get training. Oh no, still lack of skilled people. Correct, no? Lack of skill needs to get training. Correct, no? So, that is correct, but silo problem, anything missing side? The party missing happening because of this. What about the material input? Input variance. Input is material. You are charging no material. Input variance. Any input variance? Party missing. Nothing. All input is properly monitored.
Yes.
Okay, Solomon, the people are checking randomly checking all input in quality side.
Yes, as weighing section.
They are maintaining the record.
Yes.
They are randomly checking. What is going on? Random checking is going on. Input, chemicals, everything they are checking.
All those is okay, there is no problem.
No problem. Input variance, nothing.
Yes.
But only two things only you are telling. Only is the lack of skilled people and the silo problem.
Yes.
Two things only you are facing problem.
Yes, sir.
To encourage the party missing. Correct?
Yes.
Sit down. No.
And coming to the model side,
Okay.
that very place, in fact, we are having a lot of problem on that model.
Model problem.
Yes. And at times, operational problem.
Operational problem in molding area.
Molding
Molding area, operational problem.
from the machine.
This is the production side now. Anybody is want any comment about this one? Molding area. Dimos, any comment? Molding area is telling is comparing operational problem.
Yeah, so it's molding area. A lot of things contribute to molding area. Some of the time, you find out that the dough that they put, it's okay. This side will be cutting full, this side will be cutting full, middle will be cutting less. That is the knife. When you call the people concerned, they will tell you it's dough. You call the dough is okay. Why is it cutting this? Okay, this okay, center is not cutting well. That is the knife. That way we say, change the knife or file it, it becomes a problem.
The proper diagnosing is not there. Not technical identification not proper. Correct, no? It's a technical challenge. People are not identified properly the problem. Correct, no?
Yes.
Identifying the problem is not perfect. Is not proper. Correct, no? This is a lack of identification. Am I correct or not? Huh?
It's also bogged down.
So what is the solution? Tell me. How to identify the problem? How to identify the problem? What is the solution? Tell me.
The solution, at times, when we are running ginger, the knife we use for ginger, if you use it for other ones, it will not work. We told them, please remove this knife, put the knife for that, so that it can move. There is a problem.
So maintenance side also
At that time, they will not accept the problem at that point in time. Later, after we must have struggled for the whole day, you will find out at the evening they will change it. But at that particular point in time, we said, please, this is the problem. Identify it. Nobody will listen.
So that you mean to say, ginger means you want separate knife. Am I correct?
Yes.
Ginger means you want separate knife.
Yeah, separate knife.
Knife for ginger.
That you people you have to follow whether they properly.
We have found out. We have followed it up. Anytime we are running ginger, the knife you use for other ones cannot go for ginger.
Okay, please ensure that the same knife they change or not. You people you have to ensure. Am I correct now? Very important.
When they ask them, they will not tell you the truth.
No, that
They
only
will
people,
tell you that
you are there, you are near to the operation. You know what is a you can identify the niche in a knife, no? You people you have to identify and this is a knife. I want to change
So
this.
more than a month now, we have been having this silo sugar problem. We are putting manually now. And whenever we complain, they will tell us that they will do it, and they will never do it.
So silo, what is the
Yes,
problem?
silo sugar problem. It's not coming. And at times when it will come, it will drop half. It will not be complete. So when you tell them, they will tell you that they will do over
That's why
over
I'm
1 month
asking.
now.
That's why I'm again and again asking any input variance is there. You are telling no. So now input variance is there. No, there is input variance now. I asking again and again the same question. Why I am asking? I know. That's why asking any input variance. You are telling no. But now you are telling
You only talk about chemical side.
No. I am telling my English is correct or not. I am telling input variance. Any input variance is there, I am asking, you are telling no. Now you are telling the silo is not rising. Okay, anything transfer is an open platform. So we are here to sort out the problem. We have highlighted the problem. So I am the neutral for both maintenance side and this thing. Okay, don't worry. So we are here to sort out the problem. I know very well. He writes one question, so Pola is a very, very valid point. Often you are changing. You are telling, sir, production planning is this thing. They are changing. It's a very valid point. Because often change over, definitely efficiency will going down. I told no one story because exclusively one machine means good day you are running 30 days. Everybody understand the problem. You are, how many machines understand good day, what is good day? But now not like that. After 4 days you are changing out things cracker. After 4 days you are changing out something. How you know understand the process? Even the supervisor also. You don't understand because continuous process only you can upgrade your this thing. Am I correct or not? That is not possible. Existing infrastructure you have to manage. Correct na? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Then, okay. So now tell me. So now, okay. Minimum stability, shadow problem, molding area opposition problem. Let's go to point.
This missing area.
Mixing area?
There is a need to have a chiller there. Chiller. Because the dough go with temperature.
Okay.
If you mix 3 or 4 batches with a different water
This is very valid point.
temperature,
Very valid
you have a variance. There should be a chiller that will control
Very good,
the
very good. You want
the water temperature.
Monitoring Dow temperature.
Yes.
Correct, no?
Yes.
Dow temperature is very, very important. Very valid point. Monitoring Dow temperature. Correct, no? Huh? Monitoring Dow temperature. By using chiller, whatever it is.
Yes.
You have to control that. You have to monitoring Dow temperature. So that also valid point. Correct? Then again, next. Mixing area, anything? Molding area, okay. Molding area over now.
Mixing molding is part of this monitoring of temperature.
Okay, anything? Molding area.
Adhering to
Huh?
at molding section,
Okay, tell me.
in adherence to instruction is a challenge.
Okay.
It's a critical challenge. If we discover that there is problem and the OOM stop the line, they don't listen to instruction. They will still be sending. And the reason why they are doing this is because they don't want to remove the dough from that dough bath, that dough feeder. They don't want to remove it, and they will keep on sending it.
No, that's why Solomon, I'm telling you, make them understand. You make them understand this is your problem.
Yes, sir.
Please listen.
I understand, sir.
You make the people to understand that is your problem. They think that no, it's not. They wanted to either they wanted to hide. They are pushing the problem to somebody. I don't know.
Yes,
You
sir,
have
we
to
understand.
make them understand. Baba, this is your problem. You must stand on your, like you stand on your decision. This is your problem. Like that you have to stand. Correct? No. Instead of that's why people are you don't know what is problem. That's why the people are pushing to you.
They understand, sir.
Once you know the production knowledge, you know the concept. Jite, I am listening or not?
Yes, sir.
If Jite knows, see, the biscuit is coming silky. Jite go and tell, hey, Mike, what is the problem? Maybe it's over mixing. Why is coming is dry mixing? If you ask like this, what you will tell? Correct? No. But you know something. You know something, then you keep quiet. Correct? No. What Jite doesn't know anything. He can tell anything. Correct? No. Okay? I'm telling you correct. That type of things is going on. That's why I'm telling people should learn the process. People should learn the process. Then only everybody will keep quiet. Why? Other than me, nobody knows. Whatever you want to tell the problem, push it to somebody. That type of things will happen. Am I correct or not? That's why he is facing a lot of problem. Who? Solomon. Solomon is going to, no. It's not my problem. But often he doesn't know what is happening. You have to tell, okay, this is the problem. You do like this, it will come. You tell like that. You do like this. Then see what is my answer. If you are having that knowledge, you are having that guts. Baba, I am telling this is the problem. Do like this. You won't tell. They will not be too quiet. Am I correct? That's why you must know the knowledge. You know the knowledge. Before you dictate anything, you must know the knowledge. Correct? Jite, you are laughing. Am I correct or not?
Yeah, very correct.
When you are raise a voice, once you know the knowledge, then only you can raise a voice. Otherwise, You don't know anything, you cannot serve. You cannot handle anybody. How the people do respect now? Respect should not be demanded. You should be rewarded.
Yes.
No, I am supervisor. I am GM. Nobody will give respect. Who will give respect? Nobody will give respect. Oh, if you know the knowledge, then only people will give respect. Am I correct or not? Respect should be rewarded. It should not be demanded. It should be rewarded. Am I correct or not? It should not be demanded. You give respect, I am coming. No, nobody will give respect. It spontaneously has to come. Spontaneously come. Oh God, Nana sir, Nana is coming. Don't give respect. That is spontaneous effect. Am I correct, Bosayo? Spontaneous. Automatically it has to come. That is the thing. Real. I am telling. That's why I am telling people should learn production knowledge. Then only you can come up in your life. You can have authority. You can dictate the terms. Correct, no? Ifani comes and do. Ifani coming production manager. You come and you find out the problem. What Ifani doesn't know, you can manage. That type of thing should not come. You must have own this thing. You are having your own. Correct, no? That also, no, proactiveness is very, very important. Proactive, no? Some people are having proactiveness. I don't know how you are understanding. Proactiveness is there. Definitely you can come up in your life. Correct, no? Anywhere, I am not telling Sona. If you are change your attitude, change it, definitely people can come, they will call and give appointment. Forget about Sona. Anywhere you can go. Yourself, your lifestyle, your working passion is very good. Anybody will catch you. Huh? That is the thing. Simply you can put blame on somebody. Oh, it's not working, machine is not working. Oh, sorry. You have to identify the problem. Attack the problem. Tell that, okay, this is the problem. Please do it. But what to provide it, whatever you are telling, that is genuine reason. Instead of that, you are saying wrong approach, nobody will listen. Na? Correct, no? Wrong approach should not be. Nobody will listen, I am telling. Even including your son, I am telling. If anybody is having son, no? They will not give respect to. Nowadays, young generation, no? They are having more knowledge than us. Am I correct? They will not give respect. You are not properly approaching even your son, I am telling. Even your son, you will not, young generation, they will not approach, they will not listen you.
Yes, sir.
If you are not properly approached, nobody. What do you know? They will ask. Correct, no? That's what I am telling.
I want to say
Yes, sir.
I am telling.
Now see, not that they don't used to stop the line when they rain. When they rain from the oven end, you know, from the mother oven end, it may be 7 minutes to get to the oven end. Then immediately they rain. Know how they will stop the line. But when he's waiting and he had not seen the end of the skin, then he become shouting. And it's not supposed to be so. Then, and then again, like Mr. Dick said, when he comes, if there is any problem there, he will tell Amechi to adjust. And if Amechi did not adjust, he will come and call me. And immediately I come there, then when I talk to him, when I do this thing, he will do it. At least several times that he has reported Amechi to me. And I went there to correct him, and the work started to go. So at times, and if there are some times that we will be having problem, if he stop the line, he may not correct the mistake or whatever problem that you are having there. The line must be running like 2-3 minutes before the adjustment. Because when you stop the line, you may not be able to state what is the problem. And that is why it's feeling that maybe they are not stopping the line when he reads.
Even the operator is also not having his own this thing. He's not having that this thing, confident. Confident level is very less. Am I correct? That's why he doesn't know whether it is right or wrong. Simply, he must know the concept is very clear. Then only he can. Concept is very clear. One more thing I am telling you. Who is anybody is a woman operator here? Woman operator, nobody here. No. See, Mr. Solaman, you are checking the moisture. Do you know that every 1 hour, what is the moisture is going on?
The moisture.
Biscuit moisture.
That we are having.
What is the moisture?
We are having 1 point something, 1.3.
Sometimes variance, 1.3, 1.6, 1.7. What is the problem? Tell me. Why is that type of erratic?
Okay, why we are having the variety?
Why is there erratic?
Okay.
See, moisture means sugar.
Because of the dryness of this.
So people understand. Okay. Solomon.
Yes, sir.
So now you are telling some biscuits moisture. You are telling 10 o'clock you are taking moisture, correct? 1.1, correct?
Yes, sir.
You are taking 11 o'clock. What is the moisture? How much?
That's 1.3.
1.3. Take 12 o'clock. What is the moisture?
1 point. This is 1.0.
1.0. Take 1 o'clock. What is the moisture?
That's 1.5.
1.5. Why this much variance?
Temperature
What is the reason?
variation.
What is the reason?
Temperature variation.
Variance.
Temperature variation.
Why? Tell me any.
It might be as a result of the speed, the oven speed, and the temperature, the set temperature, and the rate at which the batch of the dough delay before it enters the oven is also a determinant factor.
So you mean to say, when I come to the point. You are meant to say moisture content of the dough, correct? Hello? Solomon?
Yes, sir.
Moisture content of the dough.
Yes, sir.
Maybe dryness, softness, like that. Moisture content of the dough, correct? Number 2. What are you telling?
Oven speed.
Oven speed. Baking time.
Yes.
Huh? Baking time variance, correct?
Yes, sir.
Number 3.
Set temperature.
Huh? I'm telling the reason. Set temperature.
Set temperature.
See, you are telling moisture content of dough, I agree. Okay?
Yes, sir.
I am sending baking variance. Sometimes tampering, I agree. Set temperature. Here only controversy. I am explaining now. Set temperature. Suppose you are putting set temperature, baking dough. Doctor, you also listen. Set temperature. Suppose your temperature is 250. Set temperature. Your temperature is 250. Correct? No? Your set temperature. Your burner is on. Burner is on. Set temperature 250. Your burner is on. Correct? No? See, the once you reach the 250, the burner should cut off. Am I correct? Yes. Do you know that anybody what is happening there? Your temperature is set temperature 250. Whether really 250 is cut off or not, anybody knows?
Thermostat.
Anybody knows?
Thermostat concept.
Anybody knows?
Thermostat concept.
Now, actually, the tolerance is not plus 2 or minus. I am telling you now. But now, plus 5 or minus. Suppose if you set temperature is 250, correct? No? Set temperature to burner on. When the temperature reaches up 255, your burner cut off. That is plus 5. Correct? No? This is a logic. When you set the temperature 250, the moment you rise the temperature 255, your burner will cut off. Correct? No?
Yes, sir.
Whenever you drop down 245, the burner will on. That is the logic. That is the 5 minutes. Burner on, burner off, burner on, burner off. Instead of that, your variance is instead of 5, 10 plus. Your variance is instead of 5, 10 plus. Suppose your temperature is 250. The temperature go up to 260. Then only burner cut off. Instead of 250, the temperature going down to 240. Then only burner will off. So your burner off time, how much is selling? Instead of 5 minutes, 10 minutes, prolonging. By the time what happened? And the time traveling biscuits, but moisture will be very. Am I correct or not?
Yeah, correct, sir.
See, 10 minutes your burner is off. After the 10 minutes burner is on. By the time your moisture is burner is on, no, your moisture is 1.1. Cut off time your moisture is 1.5. So that you people, you have to check tomorrow onwards, you have to go and check what is the cut-off point. See, if your set temperature is 250, what temperature is, you closely go and monitor. 250 means what temperature, I want to know, plus or minus 5 or 10, what Dixie? Dixie, you are listening? I want to know from you tomorrow. I want to know plus or minus 5 or 10.
Okay, cut off points.
Point. Then I come to know. That is also one of the variant. Whatever you are saying is correct. Moisture dow variance, baking time variance, adopt the set temperature, some controversy is there. You have to check up. Correct, no? Now, madam, where is the cotton, madam? This is surface printed?
You can use that cloth too.
No, what else? This is surface printed. This is surface printed? Okay. Now I told you. See, Yoga. This is the surface printer wrapper. How to find out the surface printer? You know, take. See, after erasing all paint gone, na? All paint gone. Am I correct? This is surface. You see, told now, your point only I am talking. Surface printer. So, this is only printing on the surface. Correct? Now see, this is a laminator. Check. See? Not to me. Why? See, the print is inside. Reverse printing. The print is inside.
Okay.
Top only transparent bar. So what happened? See, not going. This is a laminate. How to identify? The surface printer, not by feeling. Nobody will make out. See, this is a metallized. That's also true. Metallized is also same. But surface printer, it will come like this. Because surface on the printing. This surface printing reversed. So you people must know. Should not restrict yourself. I don't want to learn all. You people should everything must know what is happening, what type of wrapper you are manufacturing, you are using. See, double layer. This is a metallized. See, this is one more layer. See, this is double layer. This is mono layer. Apart from this, madam, see, this is one more variety. This is called matte finish. Metallized. See this. The finishing is different. There is another variety. It's a matte finish. But it is also laminated metallized bulb. 4 varieties we are manufacturing. We are using matte finished, metallized bulb, then again laminated one, surface printed. Surface printed you have to identify from this. Correct now? Okay? Then okay? Here, next what? We are coming to the point, madam. Not one. Where we are now? Minimize the defective ceiling.
We are finished with that one. So, which one? We are just in mixing. We have not gotten to
Mixing
packing.
side, manufacturing side.
We have not gotten to packing.
No, no, packing side is very important. Packing side.
Packing side. We need to
Packing side.
tell us.
Machine inefficiency. Machine inefficiency.
Explain that.
Some machines are faulty, and they are producing a lot of defective.
See, as far you are this thing, I am telling you, how many machines are in line 2? See, for line 2 I am taking. Line 2.
Okay.
How many machines are running?
Petty machines.
Eh?
Petty machines.
I am coming, I am talking opposite term. You are line 2, 8 machine, correct? 8 machine. I am asking one by one, please answer the question. How many hours per shift to 12 hours? Am I correct? Machine number 1. Machine hours, 12 hours. Anybody knows out of 12 hours, what is the actual machine hours you utilized? Machine. Anybody checking? How many hours?
Speed now.
How many hours? I am not talking about machine speed. I am utilization of packing machine I am asking. Out of 12 hours, How many hours? Anybody checking? Stop. So line number 1. How many hours? Machine hours.
11 hours.
Huh? Are you sure
11
11 hours?
Let's say
Anybody checking? Machine wise, anybody checking? Stop. Forget about to breakdown. Hereafter, correct now. People should check recording. Line number 1. Stop. How many hours stop the machine? Out of 12 hours. Maybe 2 hours, 3 hours. I'm not asking what is the reason. Any supervisor knows? Line wise machine. Stopping hours.
1 hour. 1 hour. Maximum. 1 hour. The machine.
Maximum?
Yes, 1 hour machine.
Maximum 1 hour. Maximum 1 hour, what is the percentage of that?
Average of 1 hour.
What's the percentage?
It depends on the fault, sir.
Average of 1 hour.
Give us
Is it not correct? It's not correct. So what is it?
Forget about.
No, for machine. For machine.
See, I am telling hereafter, all machines you have to record. What is the machine hours? Available machine hours, 12 hours. What is the utilization? Machine hours utilized.
Yes.
Machine hours utilized. What is the reason? That is one way of minimize the defectives. Minimize the defective, maximize the production. Correct now? What is the reason? Either your wrapper problem or your machine problem, that's not a wrapper problem or machine problem, or your skilled person, as you said, any lack of operators, it's a new feeder problem or biscuit problem. So many problems are there. So one machine is not performing well, maybe biscuit problem, maybe wrapper problem, maybe operational problem, maybe operator problem. Correct no? Mechanical problem. So many problems are there. For that, the production supervisor need to be very strong. Production supervisor need to be very strong, identify the problem, attack the problem. Correct no? The community, that is very important. Each and every production supervisor need to be a very strong, need to be a skilled, we know, before workers know, you need to be a very strong. You must know all the concepts. One proverb is there, skilled worker cannot be a manager, cannot be a supervisor. Why? Skilled worker is not only the attending the only one problem. If I am a manager, I am focusing only missing. What about other areas? I am focusing everywhere. That's why people are telling skilled worker cannot be a manager, cannot be a supervisor. Supervisor means you must know the concept. He doesn't know everything you know. You must know the concept, then only you can control the workman. Am I correct or not? Huh? See, that's why I am telling machine hours, available machine hours, total hours 12 hours. What is the available utilization of machine hours utilized? Then only you can find out, you can analyze the problem. Am I correct? Suppose instead of 12 hours, this machine is 1 hour. Machine number 2, 12 hours, for 3 hours. The machine, see, breakdown, stopping hours 3 hours. What is the problem? You have to analyze. What is the problem? What is the root cause for 3 hours? So this line machine is able to 1 hour only stopping time, whereas the line 2 machine is 3 hours. What is the problem? What is the root cause for it? That is the supervisor shifting charge. You have to analyze why the number 3 machine only not giving product out properly. You have to look. We have to find out. So suddenly means okay. Say Tuesday I will say 3 hours. Thursday I will say 3 hours. You keep silent, nobody will bother. Am I correct? You have to highlight the problem. You have to identify. You have to attack problem. You have to inform properly. Am I correct? So hereafter you have to analyze machine wise. What is the available hours? What is the utilization? Machine utilized? What is the root cause? How to resolve the problem? So that is very important. To increase the, maximize the production, and defective also the main reason for that. Even packing machine is not performing well. See, suppose the 3 hours. What is the reason? Maybe as you said, the technical new person, operator is new. I agree. Correct? No, operator is new. You need to be trained. I agree. Other than that, any problem, mechanical problem, or biscuit shape is not correct, or wrapper is shape is a problem. We have to analyze and highlight the proper shifting chart. Sir, this line 3 is not working because the wrapper is not working. The biscuit is not working. Something. You have to identify the problem and inform to concerned people, so that no, you will come to know. Otherwise, how will you know? You are keep silent. So 3 machine is always coming 3 hours. You are running, write the log, you are closing. Oh, every day 3 hours, 3 hours. Why is coming 3 hours? You have to analyze and attack the problem. Then only you can solve the problem. Instead of that, you keep silent means nobody knows. Correct number, Kato. Then packing area is very, very important to avoid the problem. Hereafter, you have to, packing hours, you have to record it and do it. I think it's close enough.
Yes.
Too much, no?
You do know how to calculate when they said your machine is at 200. You know how to calculate your output.
No, as if it's a 200 speed,
yes.
that means 200 packets per minute.
No.
200 packets per minute.
200 packets.
60.
No. Exactly.
200 packets per minute.
Per minute.
Yes.
Now we agreed. We agreed that line 2 now. What 200? All your machines are 200. All your machines are. Let's assume.
It's 180.
Let's assume.
It's 180.
Okay. 180, Abby.
Yes.
Per minute, Abby? Eh?
Yes.
Can somebody calculate this? 180 times 160%. What is it?
Over 100.
What is it?
The total.
Yeah.
Answer me.
Okay.
130,800.
3,000.
Yeah.
10,800 per hour. More machine.
Divided by 96.
Divided by 96. Number of carton.
How much?
Who is calculating it?
112.5. 112.25 per hour. Correct?
Per hour.
This is
One machine.
Times
Eh?
8.
Times 8.
how much?
This one times
Times 8.
996.
Eh?
996. 896, huh?
What is it?
896. 896. Correct? 108, 896.
Into 8. Is that right? It's
It's
correct. Times 12.
Times 12. Then
Times 12. 896 times 12. Who is calculating it?
896 correct na?
Eh?
896 na?
10,800.
Arey baba, cotton ya. 112 into 8.
112 into 8. What is it?
896.
Yeah, I put it right here.
896.
Yes.
Times 12.
Okay, okay. Calculation, okay. You explain to them.
Times 12. What's it?
10,750.
Eh?
10,750.
So it means
10,000 pieces.
it means if you are running it 10,000
752.
752
Packets, huh?
cartons
Cartons.
per shift. That's what you should get.
This is 100% efficiency.
This is 100% efficiency.
Assumption.
Multiplied by 0.85.
And if you didn't put that,
0.85.
0.85.
put on Apple.
What is that? 483.5.
Eh?
48.
No. Multiply 10,752 by 0.85.
0.85.
0.85.
That is 85%.
0.85.
Okay, now, okay.
Eh?
9,000.
So, Mr. Peter, for your line 2, for you to say well done, you have 9,000. 9,000 what?
139.2.
Assumption.
Yes, I did it. Let me put this one on that one.
I'm picking you as
That is double pie.
Okay.
That is double pie.
Who is going to monitor now tomorrow? Okay. Who is going to monitor tomorrow? That the machine hours. Packing
You
machine.
do understand what you're saying now? What the guy said? Your packing machine stop and starts. When we start the work tomorrow, who is going to tell us that this machine worked effectively for 10 hours?
Supervisor has to
When we
monitor.
start tomorrow.
You are saying that you monitor it. So at the end of your shift, you can tell us that machine 1 spent 8 hours, machine 2 7 hours, machine 3.
Tomorrow, let me know. I want to know how
Yes.
to do it. Correct?
Exactly.
Tomorrow, let me know. Okay? Okay, thank you very much for your cooperation.
So that's okay. Thank you very much.
Cooperation. So, thank you very much. This is very fruitful, and I don't know. Very useful for you people.
No, I have to say something.
No, you have to say something.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Say something.
In the absence of everything, I never know that this type of thing should come to me today. I gain 1000% apart from whatever I've been getting.
Okay.
Awareness, teaching, education.
Okay.
Nobody is an island. What I learned, nobody is an island.
It's an island of
Nobody
wisdom.
is an island. What I learned today,
Very good. Thank you so much.
anywhere I'm going, I'll be very sure of myself.
Okay, that's
So I'm saying, let there be something of this nature. Keeping awareness to workers on what is standard, what's supposed to be done, and what's supposed to get. I thank you on behalf of the workers, and I appreciate
No,
this.
one
Thank
thing,
you and God bless you.
my advice, one thing telling, nobody is having the remove eye. I don't want eye. This is my suggestion. People are having eye, no, that I remove eye. Eye is a bad letter for me. Am I correct? Everybody knows something. You must be humble and know. Even I am also telling, don't use any rubbish word. Even sometimes emotionally, please forgive me also. Anytime, no, by mistake. Anything I told anybody, even I sometimes, so many times, I know very well. Sorry. Taking apology. No, not like that. So sorry, but sometimes intentionally. Sorry to say, correct, no? Thank you so much. I think it's very useful for every time you can meet like whenever time comes. Huh? Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. So we are still having session for the quality control.
Quality control meeting.
Yes.
Sorry, quality control. So I need to take you back, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sorry.
Yes.
The second thing, nobody mentioned, and someone mentioned that was about the maintenance of all the machines in the
This one.
Utilization now?
Number two, before you start analyzing the figure.
Utilization of manpower.
No,
utilization of
particular
machines.
last one.
Last one.
Then we go to maintenance, packing machine.
Which one? Okay.
So I was talking about this before we analyze this, before we go to this. I'm talking about this.
What is this?
Most of the machines here, starting from line 1,
Okay.
line 2,
Okay.
line 3,
Okay.
weavers and twister.
Okay.
We have the issue we have is the maintenance problem.
Okay.
Each machine has maintenance issue.
That's
Like
why, Mister, that's why I'm telling tomorrow I want to know. I don't want the reason.
The
I
effective
want to
running
know
time.
what is the machine hours. Please let me know. I know what to do.
Yes. You understand now?
You understand?
Effective-
Forget about mechanical problem or whatever.
Machine
I want to know machine wise what is the machine hours. Okay? Don't forget about mechanical, biscuit problem, this thing. Every machine I want to know what is the machine hours.
About mixing.
Oh, huh?
Mixing side.
Machine side. Waxing machine I want to know. Machine wise I want to know how many machine hours you play. Machine hours you play. Utilize machine hours. That's all. So out of 12 hours, you utilize 8 hours. 4 hours stop. I want to know. Correct, no? I want to know like that. So for 12 hours, out of 12 hours, 8 hours utilize, 4 hours stop. 8 hours, 7 hours utilize, 5 hours stop. 6 hours utilize, 6 hours stop. Mission wise I want to know. Give me, after that we analyze what is the root cause. Correct, no? I want to stop it. Then you will come to know whether it's a mechanical breakdown, mechanical fault, or machine fault, or biscuit fault, or wrapper fault, or your operator fault. We'll come to know. Correct, no?
Thank you so much.
Okay. Your problems? Hello, okay? Problem okay? Yes, sir? Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much, Imos.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
We are expecting the quality control.
Control, okay, thank you.